In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work the C5B or cable 5-back abbreviation. I've already worked to the position of where I want to cable on the next 5 stitches on my left hand needle, and to do this I need to slip the first 3 stitches on my left hand needle onto my cable needle purlwise, then take the cable needle between the needles to the back of the work, and then making sure my yarn is at the back of the work, knit the next 2 stitches from the left hand needle, and then knit the stitches in the order they were slipped in from the cable needle. Okay. I'll do that one more time. I'll work to the position of the next cable. So again, slip the next 3 stitches from my left hand needle onto my cable needle purlwise, and then taking them between the needles, leave them sitting at the back of the work. Make sure my yarn's at the back of work to knit the next 2 stitches on my left hand needle, and then knit the 3 stitches from the cable needle in the order that they were slipped onto the cable needle. So I'll just work to the end. Okay, and there you can see the cable twist, the C5B as it's abbreviated.